Hello everyone, good afternoon. So the coverage for long test 1 are the following: IBS, integration by substitution, integration by parts, and integration yielding inverse trigonometric functions. I created this recorded discussion for those students who were absent last week during the discussion of topic number 3. So for topic number 3, we only need to remember 3 formulas. So formula number 1 is integral of du over the square root of a square minus u square is just arc sine of u over a plus c. Second formula, integral of du over a square plus u square is equal to 1 over a, the constant here, arctan of u over a plus c. And the last formula number 3, says that the integral of du over the function u square root of u square minus a square is equal to 1 over a arc secant of u over a plus c. Note that your a is a constant and u is a function. Alright, so let's take note of these 3 formulas and then let us do examples. Okay, example number 1. Integral of x over the square root of 9 minus 4x to the 4th dx. We cannot use formula number 2 because if you will look at the denominator, it contains a radical. The formula does not contain a radical. Formula number 3, no also, because there is a function outside the radical, but there's nothing, there is 1 outside the radical. So our target is to write this in the form of formula 1 so that we can use this formula. So in that case, what is your a? Before that, I can actually identify a square. A square is everything before minus. So a square is 9, therefore your a is 3. In other words, your u square, everything after minus. So this must be 4x to the 4th. Therefore, u is equal to 2x squared. And thus, du is 4x dx. But if you will look at our given, we don't have a 4x dx there, but we have an x dx. So let's just get rid of 4 so that we can rewrite x dx in whatever expression that we get. So to get x dx, we multiply both sides by 1/4, so I have 1/4 du. So let's take note of the following. This is everything here. Just enclose that. So we are now ready to do substitution based on these equations. So I have integral of x dx is 1/4 du over the square root of 9 is a square, 4x to the 4th is u square. So if you will look at this part here, it's exactly this one here. So therefore, we can use the formula. I have a 1/4 outside the integral. Just copy that. And this part here, using the formula, is just arc sine. Where did I get arc sine? Here. That's arc sine u. My u is 2x squared over a. My a is 3 plus c. So therefore, this is the final answer. Let's have another example, number 2. Integral of cosine of x over the square root of 5 minus sine square x dx. Oh, not formula 2, not formula 3, but possibly formula number 1. Let's evaluate. Let me use green here for the substitution. First, what is your a square? Your a square is everything before minus. So that's 5. In other words, your a is square root of 5. Okay. Then your u square is sine square x. So therefore, your u is sine x. And the derivative of u is positive cosine x dx. Oy! Luckily, we have here cosine x dx. So we can proceed now with substitution. So I have here integral of cos x dx is just du over the square root of 5 is a square minus sine square x is u square. Oh, evaluating it, this is exactly formula number 1. So therefore, I'll just set up the antiderivative, that is arcsine of u, which is sine of x, over a, which is square root of 5 plus c. Okay, let's look at another example. Let me write the formulas again. No, not anymore. Example number 3. How about we have here 3 dx over 4, how do you do that? 4x square minus 18. Okay lang nga. Oh, sorry, this is plus 18. So, if I will recall the second formula, F2, it's integral of 1 over, or let me have du over a square plus u square. That's it. It's just 1 over a arctan u over a plus c. This is just the formula. Now, let us now see what we can do here. First is, what is your a square? Take note that addition is commutative, so we can rewrite the denominator as 18 plus 4x squared. So your a square must be the constant 18. Again, a is constant, u is a function. So what is our a? Square root of 18, or this is square root of 9 times 2. So your a is 3 square root of 2. Next, what is your u square? The function. So I have 4x squared. And u is 2x, and thus du is 2 dx. We don't have a 2 dx, but we can solve for dx, and that is 1/2 du. Let's remember this. So therefore, substitution, I can factor out first 3 integral of dx is 1/2 du. So meaning, I'll just write that here, 1/2 du. I will repeat. 3, I factored that out. dx is 1/2 du. The denominator is u square. 18 is a square. So, I can factor out the constant 1/2 integral of du over u square plus a square. So, it's clear that this is the formula. So, I have 3 halves times. Using the formula, I have 1 over a, and a is just square root of 18 arctan of u, which is 2x over a square root of 18 plus c. 3 over 2. Oy, ato namin nang gisolve ang square root of 18. So, let me just change this to 3 square root of 2. 3 square root of 2. So, this will cancel out, and rationalizing the denominator, I will have 1 over, sorry, 1 over, what's this? 1 over 2 square root of 2 arctan of 2x over 3 square root of 2 plus c. Rationalizing, I have square root of 2 over 4. Arctan of 2 square root of 2x over 6 plus c. This is the final answer. I'll create another video for more examples because if I will go beyond 10 minutes, I can no longer upload this in the YouTube. See you later.